Hey, have you heard about Martyr Ecom, which is also, owned by Matt Rutkowski? Now, here's the guy right here, and this guy has promised to, help you to learn how you can start selling envelopes to grandmas on Facebook. Okay, so you can see here is his page right there, and it's got a lot of stuff to talk about. It's because I teach them how to copy what works and how that blah blah blah. So this guy has been in this space for a little while, and one thing I see about this guy is that he flaunts a lot of cash. Okay, so you can see right here, you can see him, cash on his head. So that is one thing about him. He flaunts cash a lot. I mean, I think he knows that this is what entices people to, possibly buy courses and all that. So he flaunts cash a lot, and he said he sells envelope to grandmas on Facebook, using Facebook to generate traffic and selling, and his ultimate audience is at grandmas. Okay, now what's even amazing is that how many grandmas are on Facebook, because a whole lot of grannies don't really have much time for Facebook. But however, that's it depends on whatever he's offering, and also we are not even able to know what exactly is in the envelope that he's selling. But his method is also like e-commerce. So, but he just decided to use another word, because e-commerce dropshipping is kind of getting saturated, because at the end of everything, all his results, even though the screenshot is showing either fake or real, they are all Shopify, and is him also selling something, maybe possibly like gift cards or whatever, I don't know. But those are the things that he's practically selling. Okay, and going to his sales page. So going to his sales page right here, you can see the new money blueprint. I made this review of HZ online free to watch. You can see easy money, everything is always easy money and all that. So now the price of the course is around $997. Okay, as you can see right here, so it's like close to like $1,000. Okay, and also it has an ticket one of close to like $5,000. So you can see right here the new money blueprint, the one is $500. In case you enroll for that one, you get upsell the roughly $1,000 on, and the $5,000 on. So it's more like a funnel process. Okay, so that is what you need to know about this. Okay, so but what this guy is doing is just selling envelopes on Facebook. Now let's just discuss about these and possibly give you my honest opinion regarding this, if it's worth your time or not. Now the first thing you need to know is that any person that is flaunting a lot of cash on the internet, they are all gurus. Okay, and their ultimate aim is to get you to just buy. Okay, so that is their ultimate goal, and money back guarantee with this program is never assured. Okay, so you need to know that if you go ahead and enroll for this, you getting your money back is never assured, because I've seen a lot of people complain online and saying they try to get their money back, but they really couldn't get it back, because Matt didn't Matt didn't give them their money back. Okay, so and showing off cash is what I don't like. Okay, also he has a strategy of college dropout. One of his videos that I saw is talking about him dropping out of college and all that. So I feel those are just marketing strategies to just get people to possibly enroll in whatever he's promising to teach them. Okay, so here are some outlines, okay, of the program. You can see how to pick winning product, how to set up Shopify backend, trustworthy domain name, how to find winning store, winning product, how to convince people and all that. So all these things are how dropshipping, okay, dropshipping type of business. But he just decided to use selling of envelope as his own selling point. Okay, so everything still revolves around dropshipping, and him saying that you're gonna be selling to grandmas. The fact is that even targeting grandma is not that easy. And how many grandmas on Facebook? Okay, although there are a lot of grandmas on Facebook though, but however, I just feel like this is not something to open. Okay, and the fact that this guy flaunts a lot of cash, I don't really feel it. Okay, and also he's got a lot of negative reviews online, a lot of people saying bad about him, and sometimes also it's normal for people to say bad about people, but I feel if it's getting too much, it can be somehow frustrating or discouraging. Okay, so now one thing about me is that I'm not like other guys that will tell you, okay, this person is a scam or not. Okay, because the fact is that even though we say, okay, maybe this guy flaunts cash online, is might not be too legitimate. There will still be some people also that might get results through his teaching. Okay, so but what I'm just gonna say is that if you want to try and consider him, don't go ahead and pay full. Okay, you can decide to get started with a lower cost. Okay, like instead of paying the $500 for the money blueprint, or rather let's just stick with the envelope store for you. Okay, so yeah, so okay, if this is okay, course was my personal help plus I make your own envelope store. Okay, so in case you want to stick with the money blueprint, okay, so you can go ahead and just not pay the whole $500. You can pay $250. Tell him that you don't have much money, and just to test things out. Okay, but this one now, the $1,000 one is for you to get access to the course, and also for his personal help and him setting up your envelope store. Okay, now I think this is too high because there are a lot of free resources online that you can use to learn how to set up envelope store, and you can see right there, like everything is like $5,000 for everything, so that is too much. That's just him ripping you off. So I feel it's okay that you just go ahead. If you have the money, you can decide to just go with the money blueprint and test it out, okay, and see for yourself. Because sometimes I see a lot of people make review and be like, okay, this course is a scam, but I've seen some people get result with it. So but what I just tell people is that just be careful. Okay, don't just go ahead, go full on anything. You can decide to first pay half, not everything. And sometimes also it's even, you get to realize that some of the things that these guys are even promising to teach you, you can easily get them on the internet, whereby there are a lot of free resources on the internet that you can use to learn all these things. Okay, so that is just it. This is just a dropshipping method, but the only difference is that you're selling envelope to grandmas. So what is inside the envelope is what we don't know. All right, so that is just the unique selling point there. Okay, so however, this is what I have for you, and you need to know that this is not get rich quick. Possibly, it might tell you that it's get rich quick, but it is not. This is not get rich quick. You stand no chances of getting rich quick with this. You need to have extra capital, because you need to have money for paid adverts. Okay, and also have money to create your store, have money to launch your website. So you need to have extra cash with you for you to get results with this. Okay, so this is just what I have to say. And I've been able to see some people asking me, okay, Maverick, what do you recommend? What do you recommend? What? But the fact is that I don't recommend any course. Okay, although I do have a course I recommend, but I just decided to stick with you using online resources to make money. Okay, there are a lot of free resources online that you can use. All right, but one thing I always suggest now to people is have kind of traffic source. Okay, when you have a traffic source, which is an organic method of traffic source, it helps you to scale in any industry. Okay, the fact that I know how to use YouTube to get traffic, it helped me when I was getting started with dropshipping. Okay, it helped me when I was getting started with dropshipping, and it was easy for me to make sales. Okay, and because I also have a tool which is an AI tool, because getting started on my own is not going to be easy. I mean, that is why a lot of people kind of skeptical about getting started with their YouTube channel, because they do not have the time to create video. They don't, moreover, they don't even have the boldness to show their face. Maybe they are like me. Okay, and also they really can add voice to their video. So, and that is why there is this AI I use for my 3 other channels. Okay, one of them I sell dropshipping products in them, and I use this AI called Jet. It helps me to create videos, generate description, the title, create the thumbnail, and also go ahead and even create a sales page for me. So with this tool, you don't even need to buy any website. It's gonna generate link for you, and it also has a template or sales page template, website template that is there. So everything is like done for you. And if you want to check out Jet, you can click the link in the video description, or check the screen. You can see the link there. You can use it to try Jet today, and it's a good AI that you can use. I'm using it for my channels, and it helps me, saves me a lot of money, because the money I should have used to hire freelancers to thousands of dollars spent on freelancers to help me create video design templates and all that, I just easily use this tool, and it does everything for me. And the funny thing is that I even get it for the price of a burger. Okay, just for the price of a burger, I was able to get it, and it's one time. Okay, it's not like maybe I have to keep paying. It's one time, and I can use it to create unlimited numbers of videos, and it has a lot of non-copyrighted library in heat, so you get a lot of non-copyrighted video, images, and all that. So just go ahead, give it a try, and possibly it helps you out. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, can you make sure that you do a subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos like this. And also don't forget to hit the thumbs up button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there. And I wish you the best of luck in your make money online journey. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.